Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is the 2013 Cadillac SRX Luxury Collection. Stock number X306XXA. 74,000 miles on this local trade. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Black Raven in color. The SRX is a very safe vehicle. 5-star overall government crash rating. Keeping your family and friends safe and your insurance costs down. Seats 5, leather interior. Flip-up DVD players with wireless headphones and remote. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera along with rear parking sensors for additional safety, and power liftgate for convenience. Lots of cargo space in the rear with a removable privacy cover. And very clean, as you can see. This luxury collection has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, height adjustable power liftgate control, power seats, along with memory settings for 2 drivers, oversized panoramic moonroof, large easy to read gauges, cruise control, advanced safety features like forward collision alert, leather wrapped steering wheel which is heated, great for those cold winter days, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming, navigation, automatic temperature control, rear DVD control, and that is of course where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things you use most often, and heated front seats. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those media devices. Spacious glove box with the inside. Overhead, auto dimming mirror, home link transmitter for garage door opener, power moonroof, and power sunshade control. Under the hood, this SRX has a 3.6 liter V6, 308 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 17 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 24 on the highway. All that with new brakes and new tires. For more information on this SRX, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.